Hi, myself Aditya Minachinke, and I am here to speak on the topic of the SQL Aggregate function. Today date is 7th of November 2022. So let us see what is the SQL Aggregate function. The SQL Aggregate function is used to perform the calculation on the multiple rows of a single column and a table. It returns a single value and it is also used to summarize the data. So let us see the types of the SQL aggregation functions. So the first type is the count function. So the first type is the count function. So the count function is used to the count function is used to count the number of the rows in a database table, and it can work on both numeric and non-numeric data types. Next one, the count function uses the count and in bracket star that return the count of the all the rows in a specified table. The count in bracket star considers the duplicate and null. Then the second function is known as the sum function. So the sum function is used to calculate the sum of all selected columns, and it works on the numeric fields only. Then the next function is the average function. So the average function is used to calculate the average value of the numeric types. The average function returns the average of all non-null values. Then next is the max function, that is the maximum function. So the max function is used to find the maximum value of a certain column, and this function determines the largest value of all of the selected values of a column. Then next is the min function, that is the minimum function. So the min function is used to find the minimum value of the certain column, and this function determines the smallest value of an selected value of a column. So this is all about the SQL aggregate functions. Thank you.